shouldn't be hitting it with fucking water. They should be using foam. I gotta grab binoculars and shit.
I would too. I'd stay up all night just to make sure I was safe.
Look
how high like the embers are flying. I mean, luckily we had a snowy winter, but still.
Fucking warm, dude. You cold?
Not yet.
Should I turn the car on? Blast the heat?
If you're feeling like it.
Everybody else is blasting.
That's probably so they just have a fast getaway.
Those are both cops.
I know, that's what I said.
That looks fucking rad, dude. It's something just got on fire. You hear it?
Yeah. You can hear the fire trucks working extra hard.
Imagine being those poor guys down there in this weather getting water sprayed all over you.
Not ideal. Man, you see, I mean, those embers are going pretty high. Oh shoot, I'm terrible at watching and recording. Oh, there's some new black smoke right there.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if Roger got the methyl bromide tanks turned off.
I hope so.
Everybody's gonna fucking die if he didn't.
Is anybody else gonna die with a wound vac in tow?
Probably you're the only one.
Be like, ma'am, why are you burning so fast in the armpit? Oh, it's just my sponge.
Ugh. Stinks though. You smell that now?
Oh, yeah. Jeez. How many days do you think it'll burn?
At least one. Because the roof is burning and all of the wood roof joists, which are treated. And then once those burn, it's going to fall down and there's CA, so it's all nitrogen, so it's going to fuel the fucking fire. You know, because now it's mixing with oxygen right on the outside. And then all the fucking wood bins with, you know, apples in them or whatever.
That's a big burst.
But I bet you they are trying to keep those.
Do you see the black on the left?
Yeah. Gnarly. Whoa, look at that.
Wow, that's almost as impressive as your fart.
That's a good one.
What? That sounds like gas station food farts. Don't rock it out. What do you think the black stuff burning is?
Some kind of plastic.
Look at that, flame's getting huge.
It's pretty sweet.
You cold?
I only have a little tiny shit on. You have like a whole